In the heart of Kenya, nestled within the vibrant community of Ngong, resides a remarkable artisan named Caroline Nganga. Her journey is one of resilience, creativity, and a deep commitment to uplifting her community through the art of crafting. Caroline is the visionary behind Crafts with Meaning, a social enterprise that bridges rural artisans with markets to empower women and expand cultural influence. Caroline's story begins in a small village, where she discovered her passion for crafting at a young age. Growing up surrounded by the rich traditions and stories of her community, she found solace in creating beautiful pieces using local materials like beads, wood, and fabric. Despite facing financial hardships and societal expectations that limited her opportunities, Caroline held on to her dream of showcasing the talent and skill of the artisans in her village. Determined to make a difference, Caroline founded Crafts with Meaning, a platform that not only celebrates the unique craftsmanship of rural artisans but also provides them with sustainable income opportunities. Through her enterprise, she collaborates with talented women who have honed their craft over generations, passing down traditional techniques and designs. Caroline understands the importance of preserving these cultural treasures and ensuring that they are valued and appreciated in the modern world. However, the road to success was not without its challenges. Caroline faced resistance from skeptics who doubted the market potential of handmade crafts in a world driven by mass production. Despite the obstacles, she persevered, believing in the power of storytelling and the emotional connection that handmade products can evoke in consumers. With unwavering determination, Caroline embarked on a mission to showcase the beauty and authenticity of her artisans' work to a global audience. Crafts with Meaning quickly gained recognition for its exquisite handcrafted jewelry, home decor, and fashion accessories that bear the mark of traditional Kenyan artistry. Through partnerships with local cooperatives and fair trade organizations, Caroline was able to expand her reach and connect rural artisans with international markets. Her work not only provided economic empowerment to women in marginalized communities but also fostered a sense of pride and unity among artisans who saw their creations cherished and valued by customers worldwide. As Crafts with Meaning grew in influence and impact, Caroline's vision extended beyond economic empowerment to social change. She initiated skill-building workshops and educational programs to empower women with the tools and knowledge to become self-sufficient entrepreneurs. By nurturing talent, fostering creativity, and promoting sustainable practices, Caroline empowered a new generation of artisans to carry forward the legacy of their heritage while embracing innovation and modernity. Today, Crafts with Meaning stands as a beacon of hope and inspiration in Ngong, a testament to the transformative power of art, culture, and community. Through Caroline's unwavering dedication and passion, the artisans she works with have found a voice, a platform, and a sense of belonging in a rapidly changing world. Her enterprise not only showcases the beauty of Kenyan craftsmanship but also serves as a model for how creativity and collaboration can drive social change and empower individuals to create a better future for themselves and their communities. Caroline Nganga's story is a reminder that with courage, creativity, and a commitment to meaningful work, one person can indeed make a difference and leave a lasting impact on the world.